hello. Wait, where they go, sef?
Since 30 minutes. 30 minutes. She don't that cap. She never drew. What do you do? No matter they don't give them a five star. Now wow. These are other caps. Leave person for here. Orange.
How much orange you want, sir?
Now all the other way they tell I won't buy you. As I even won't buy the person where they sell the orange.
You never come out your body. You where they toast my friend where they sell pineapple. You won't toast me, join.
Me they toast your friend where they sell. Which your friend they sell pineapple?
Dorcas.
Dorcas. Forget Dorcas. Dorcas since where? Me and Dorcas we don't break us since last 3 years. Now she even shit on me. Now that time I know but women say come.
Okay, so how much orange you want buy?
See, now everything I want buy. As today like this, everything where you carry, I go even buy you. Yeah, what did they do? You say you see they jealous. See, even if I want toast of friend where they say pineapple, you suppose don't know. Say fruit is my spec. When I see fruits like this, my head go gaga. I go nuts. I like fruit here. So make I dey shop you and your friend, don't you party?
Then you must be mad. Okay, come on.
Me they mad.
Orange.
Now me don't say they mad. You go sell that orange for 55 years before Jesus come. Yeah, you know what everyone manage. That's your scared. This like Sadania where they Malawi. Only run. Money. See voice. Be a person get corona for chest.
A few moments later.
This. You don't pass 30 minutes now.
Hello? Excuse me. Are you the driver?
I mean the driver. No. Now me be the evangelist wey come preach for this area now. Since 30 minutes now I don't wait for you. You come here they ask me are you the driver?
Now one name, don't be angry. It's my husband that was waiting for since so, but he did not come, so I'm going to meet him.
He did not come. So now why you can't waste my whole time? I bet head time we go job.
Take am easy now, no vex. Help me put this bag for boot.
My boots no dey open. If I want open that boot, I will first go open this body, and that will take a lot of time. Just put her for basis, make you enter. See, Amanda, I no get time.
Boots no dey open.
Oh, sis, I dey outside here, dey wait, sis. Which kind customer be that?
No vex, na iwe we na go, eh?
No, the time say I no vex. Iwe we na go, we no nagu. Ewe we nagu. See, you go add money, oh.
No, I go add money, no wahala. I go add.
I mean, no how many customers wey I don lose today. Plenty customers, and they cancel their call. You get one senator for Abuja, he come say make I come carry her for airport. I no go carry her.
This Lagos Eja Abuja. Oh, no vex, so professional Uber.
You go add money, oh.
No wahala.
Enter, abeg, I no get time. Sis. You know how many things wey say?
Okay, don't do now.
I go. Not tell me say you don't do. Not tell me say you don't do. Not tell me say you don't do.
No, they go.
You go add money, oh.
I don't tell you, I go add, no vex.
No, the time say me I no vex. No the time say me I no vex. That no vex. I ain't go like. Which kind of vex? You know I very time.
It's okay.
Why don't they here? Not the time say it's okay. Madam, wear your seatbelt now. Say I need to open my mouth tell you. Wear your seatbelt before they say na inside my car you die.
Don't do. Where the place to hook am now?
The place to hook am don spoil. You just use your hand hold am like this. Where you laugh cash us now? Na me know how much I go pay.
No vex.
Don't waste my time today.
Hello, honey. Yes. Don't worry, baby. I'm on my way. Oh, I take taxi. See you. Love you. Hey. You no get juice or crackers for this your Uber?
I get crackers or crackle ni. I get. Then you got not be only juice. Say make I pack, make they help you fry bread and egg. Abi. Juice will come. Come, what you do now? Eh? Come, what you want to this rubbish? Why go they keep out for my car? They don't wait the landlord.
Why go throw am?
Say my car na dust bin.
You know here keep Lagos clean.
So now why you got throw am inside my car? So make dem no keep my own car clean. Come, I know that come
They go.
Okay, I know they go again. What you want? I know your time. I know they go again.
Why you dey park? Wetin happen?
I know they go again. I know they go again. You can't rub me that. You waste my time all the day. Now you come down. I know go again. Come down. Come down.
You say make I come down.
Come down. I know go again. Come give my money. Now you buy the car for me.
It happen.
Abeg, come down. Come down. Come give my money.
Wetin dey worry you now? I go change and give you.
You go change and give me.
I never reach where I dey go. You tell me make I come down.
Hey.
Wetin dey worry
you? You go change and give me.
You be like you just come Lagos.
Give me my money.
How much is your money?
Your money na 1.5.
Oh. Na mbomota. You just come Lagos.
Kini pomota. Kini pomota.
You have mbomota.
Okay, you want fún mi lọ́wọ́ mi tí bá ní pomota orí ẹ. No give me money. Later say go change that for me. You know since when I don dey work for Lagos.
You too dey make noise.
Oh yeah na. Where we see na. Where we see who you wan come. Na money dey find since like that. Wetin be this? Na abeg come out John give me my money. Wetin be this one? Wetin be this one? You go.
Oh, you don't want to.
You be like say you never see were o.
Hey, baby!
You never see were o. Complete my money. Complete my money. Wetin be this?
Hello, 500 naira.
This one, wetin I wan do with 500 naira?
No be from there you pick me reach here.
I saw what? Say I don tell you say I don already put am for my mouth.
Because now you be the person where they sell petrol for
okay,
Lagos. Baby,
where would they see that?
I just saw you now. You got from Tom or Biko.
Where would that? Call anybody where you want call. You be like say you don't know me. You be like say you don't know me.
Why you shouting at the
You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. As I did like this, I never vex.
Who you be?
Call anybody where you want call. You go see where. Hold on, pay my money to
Bring out my bag.
We bring which bag? If you pay, come out for here now.
I'm going to
Come out for here. Wait till you say, you dey find my trouble. You know one more. Anyanwu gadigi. You go see where they go. What's the problem?
Baby, see what this man did to me today. Okay, you know you said you were coming to pick me, yes. And I was waiting. I didn't see you. With the general. Masika, Uber come and meet you now, so that you won't stress yourself because I know how busy you get.
What is all this?
Ma, from there to here, no time, just Ma from there. Just look at that place. Ma from there. Here. He refused. I should come down. See now 1.5 from here to here, 100 meters.
No, well, that's a good afternoon. Ask family. Actually, see what happened. Is the car you have overheating. Maybe you see why smoke come out. That's what I'm trying to explain to her. The car is not good.
I say, as your chat.
Lies.
I'm not lying. Even as here like this, I was begging. I was even calling people to come and help me beggar.
He was calling. He said, "What? Well, is my ear okay?" He says, "Calling. Are you people?"
No, sir.
Are you people?
No, I did not say them. It's people that pass. It's not them. It's not them.
Okay, that's not it, oh. Baby, do you know what he now did? He started calling me names. Abusing me. Calling me all sorts of names.
You did what?
I'm telling you, ask him now. Didn't you call me shameless woman? Didn't you call me shameless woman? You said woman that I don't know how to dress. Is that not what you said?
Sir, I'm not saying your wife is lying, but she's lying.
My wife is lying.
No.
Wait, and I said okay. Let me be a good girl. You know me now. Man, your mouth. Mercy can marry a better 100 naira so that it will be 600 naira. He threw it down on the floor.
I did not throw it down. I did not throw it down.
Like you said you didn't want to take.
I did not say that. I said that the money I've seen. The is the money. I said you should go. Now.
So my wife is lying.
No, I did not, sir. I did not say your wife is lying. But this one that she said, she's lying.
Maybe I didn't hear when he said it though.
Maybe your hair blocked. No. I mean, I say like.
Say it again.
Which I talk.
What do you talk?
I don't remember. Yeah.
Talk up again.
I think maybe she.
Good.
Talk up again.
What do you know?
I think maybe she don't get away.
Where's your bag, baby?
It's in the car. You refused to bring it down, no? That broke almost.
What kind of hospitality? Where's the bag?
Baby, do you know what? I even drank pure water because he didn't give me juice.
Pure what?
Yes. He didn't even give me juice.
Hello.
No juice and crackers. You know I like crackers.
The bag is safe, man. I'm so sorry.
My friend, take the bag to the car. Baby, let's go. Don't mind him. You know we don't like him.
Are you okay? Don't mind
okay,
me.
I was going and
Put it in the Okay.
I'll put it there.
Take my bag. Next time, they will vaccine. Sachanya so that you be seen. Eh?
Yes, ma'am. You don't get me, we go meet for push if I catch you last all I go beat it to stupid.
Oga, you don't go drink orange.
Orange now you go kill you there. Orange you call indigo ni. Before she be like on somewhere they reject. Come on for here, idiot.
Let me stop you.
You look crazy. No vex me. Hello. Yeah.